This is one of the... Oh. Chianti Classico Riserva, Rocca delle Macìe. This is the Famiglia Zingarelli, and it's the 2017 vintage. So it's been a pretty hot vintage. Riserva, what does it mean? Well, basically in Chianti Classico, the appellation system works like this. At the bottom of the appellation, you have the Chianti Classico Annata that has to stay in the cellar for 1 year. Then you have the Riserva, 2 years, and the Gran Selezione, 30 months of aging. So we are in front of a Riserva, and usually Riserva is a selection of some of the best grapes that have got potential. Let the corkscrew talk right now, but they've got potential to age for a little longer than your regular Annata. Okay, let's check it out. Wine is perfect. Red ruby color, very transparent. I'm actually able, I'm gonna take a seat. I'm actually able to read through the wine. That's Sangiovese for you. In this case though, there is a drop of colorino, indigenous varieties to add up color, and guess what? There's a green touch like a bell pepper, and that's a sign of a little bit of Cabernet Sauvignon that adds up some more black-driven fruit and this slightly like bell pepper tinge. More menthol, almost, like there's some medicinal herbs in this wine that is quite unique. I actually like it a lot. On the palate, the wine is very supple, very juicy. I'm getting back this like the friar's herb, like a licorice and cinnamon as well. Very spicy wine. Despite the very hot vintage, this wine is actually very juicy, very fresh. So pretty enjoyable. Make no mistake, Riserva of this league is perfect to drink it right now, as you can tell by my tasting notes. You'll be enjoying it with some more important meat dishes or some pasta with some important ragu. But also, this is a wine that you can keep in the cellar for anything between 8 and 15 years, according to how you actually are running your cellar. Maybe one day we should talk about this. For more tips, tricks, and love, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and don't forget to check out our next video. Hello, ciao, arrivederci.